Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show how to find all your group posts and comments on Facebook using the web version on your PC, especially with the latest update where things have been slightly rearranged. If you've ever posted in a group and later struggled to find that post or your comments, this method will save you a lot of time. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of everything you've done on your account. Now, inside the activity log, you'll see different categories on the left side. Look for the section called Your Facebook Activity and click on it to expand more options. From there, find and click on Groups. This section is specifically designed to show your activity related to Facebook groups. After clicking on Groups, you'll see an option labeled Your Group Posts and Comments. Click on that, and now you'll be able to view all the posts you've shared in groups as well as every comment you've made. You can scroll through this list to quickly find older interactions without having to manually search through each group. This feature is especially useful if you're active in multiple groups or if you need to track down a specific discussion. And that's it. That's how you can easily find all your group posts and comments on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features.